when you fall, you rise again. Plenty of you move and come. Almost there, why me feel one pause in life. It's all about the journey. The journey.
Yeah, child, baby, we are all bia. Na ye catch us. The journey so dear. Said the money na what you be. Ye ba and over to train como. Na me no ni na ye for mo abani di abopra. And na so my baby. I have na Ghana den am de bro. And na me di eni je. Ahon keka. Eni nkranhye ensem na di bro wo dwumadi so. Na ansa na no. Mama na maboa for ma so masina na what you be. Ametimi di dwumadi e bro. I'm here ba Mr. Force. Say malaria dear. A job back up and one time here ba na dua for see the way nsuo ni toto na sa waboba once oye no phone of when chena se malaria kakra untimi ni di kakra wo de wo feel sa mesro koto nya dua he ba mescha and economic entertainment na di dwumade e bro baby bia o and na me guest no e yesronko ye ba be di nkomo ai minim se oba wonim no na so ansa na no ma me ntwa me ho enkoje nkwato me ba it's still the jam. Yeah, watching Krato about Guswa Ash the Jenny, and then me guest, I saw soon him that yeah, and one is over Fredo for a mouthful. Now, so social media, and then ye, would dear Cotsnapa, Pundit, Papa, Afia, Papabi, and then a many Baba to Chincomo ever has a mammy a quabba.
Yeah.
Oh, how do you?
Son, I'm on for come. My classmates were in every primary school. Ebe university, o munyi na aseme ha adwe na 8 da be na mesesa.
O ha adwe o. Na we are there ye den na wo fa that side no. As you being a pandit, I will call her, obi ase no wa fa ne kenke. Wa jejinem na wo kire wa adwen. Ye den kwa na wunya that joy no to venture into that side.
Hey, sister. Me da se bebre, so me sa kwenye the journey. Nyame sure bebre if say ama yesua ne ma efi omo ana ye hwe wo mo emre bia na ye twemu ansa na ye nso so ye ba no maboa ye pa na se ne obisa me no ye den na me di era ye panditry emu me da se me se obisa me a ye school a me call ye me secondary school a o me catch say na me science student
oba ye science.
Na me a science student. Na science students are not entertainment be any watch me.
That's a subject no I didn't know who you are.
So omo day me results and I me ko share science for no. Won say yes you science dey obi a oya ade na na kwa share science. In the time me real secondary school no, my results no was very good. And to say ba no Kumasi Girls Secondary and I say Kumasi Girls High School. Na ye badge no mo dey start science. Okay. And you know omo share results no na omo share interest and so na your advice so into no make share a science into first term no na was doing very well second term entertainment many so na just say me nya me ho kra e entertainment o me in science student na entertainment sister afa de ye ko yenim third term me na mini just say me wie ni and I who say no I'm entertainment no ye me de and when it comes to science if you got book now those times no yes it needs a lot of time but na me time no dey na any side sa obi a science students make a drama group one science student make a dance group one just say me san so can sports so na me ball volley Emma school ball hockey Emma school san so true mika Emma school I was just everywhere nye bibie bi na hu se no e mo amenti me headmistress frame no advice say me and okay say come say some subjects in the bay okay and I'm say okay nti ye ko form 2 no I was say some subjects no say met me catch up na me say I no so no so benya and can me repeat mo na me change subject na e be okay and I'm say oh sir and no say okay so I have to opt for that so I repeated nti me to one my classmates here me no my classmates here me no omo ameni omo call ye ene omo ameni omo wie ye yes no it's Mr. Science and Bay Visual Arts and it was so cool for me. It was so cool for me because it doesn't demand a lot of attention. Yeah, I'm seeing me be an mark up to us so the idea. It's a dimu sa and maybe call a national Films and Video Institute. That time now just opposite Central University. And I'm calling directing.
You know what are you kind of so? I feel like kind of so.
Central University or more old place one.
Oh, okay.
Matayoko.
Oh, okay.
Into maybe a directing and script writing.
Oh, okay.
And I'm being I'm more lecture about Emery Brown. What that's what I say. Emery Brown, yeah. I'm say could 90 crowd. And Emery Brown, I catch him and say, I'm a very good student. No, you. By the theory, I'm very good. Na me here practicals no so. Na or direct a theater group you are Salam down, and he wants me to be part of that group, and I'm so okay. And you know,
So you started acting?
Yes, I started. Acting was my first career, and I started. Until me started, and I just say, yeah, the one. Na me drew that Mr. Brown did me drew hono. Was Monday near upon lectures. No, did me drew ho. Me drew hono. No introduce me ma one wo ho nyina. And Okacho will say, may a new member. And that group, Theatre Mirrors, is still there. A honorable and crabby father, new group. Aye, Bono. On Fijane. Aye, into me, a member of the group. Some Monday, 9 a.m. scripts. Now, I remember very well. It's about 20-something years ago. But I remember not the script, no title near The Visitor. And the Vista no na anyone be play role no. I think they are just 5. And your mommy role as Papa no eba. And you started rehearsal and I'm say, "Eh, you meet me ayeni." Man den work class. I got practicals no. And or Mr. Brown say, "You can do it." And I'm say, "Okay, thank you." And you started rehearsal about community. Na Friday we are performing. Yeah, I'm a script Monday or Friday you performing. Wow. I will buy wall usu. Yeah, dimu. And on Friday, I can perform. Me, you should shame me, Mr. Brown. So I encourage him so I can do it. Now, by what no so I na a profu and a diplomat been a bit not now. Fridays and you marry. Now started. Yeah, I'm on my share. Aha, I ne theater is ano. Near yam on my friend. Yeah, the one we are. No man casa a chain bibi. Yeah, much I near the atoho. Woman a doors one near chess and an ear. And na theater group na near one theater mirrors ye grade so we are mirror let's we are mirror we are standard member depending on your performance and I said depending on how long you've been with the group and you know ye dimu afa dey you say no I'm doing very well in the script be that mama now that theater mirrors na calsum scenario e wo group ni manolama e wo group ni NS home e wo group ni just mention a lot of stars. No woman. It's your favorite room, maybe no. Na calcium roles are now year. If you are repeating the script, no more than mommy. Na my year. It's a woman na Harry Lord Productions also Abba.
Oh, that's
Harry Oho. It's na Harry Lord's production Abba. Until one day I perform you a salam down. Then Harry Abba ho. And I will see ye cheap. And I will share. Until you no. And no busa guy back. A year in this home say me a wine and also you. Lily, my brother Lily, and also okay, she's yeah dear pa. Into no, our person will feature me when the movie yeah and to a movie anymore. Okay. And I say okay, that's cool. Into the moon feature when the movie mo, the mood down for BA production. No, so the me shame, but still no, I was doing theater. Theater was my field. I was doing a lot of theater to the extent say near theater crowd or national theater. Yeah, dear. Edimu na member radio mo acting na me go so ameye. Wow. You know, there was a day National Theater Efokojoma Ogbe. May so rest in peace. Na ye rehearsal be e won ho. Na sada no na I wasn't part of that production. Na Gloria Bentum. Okay. Bentum actor Bentum Oyesofo. Okay. Aha. Na yere Gloria so actress. Na no so e wo role e wo mu and I think Gloria couldn't make it or something. I'm say Gloria buy but obi and I went to me amba no mo dey sa role no mo friend me say atugate on National Theatre and a friend me say if you brana role bi betimi aye na me say role be no say member anti me call you no say me ngena me sua lines ni nyina na your scripter Ben Abdallah ya akosi Abdallah papa and a Troy. And now the man me go through scripting na the title was Anansi Kwekwa Nancy. We go through scripting na we were supposed to perform for Fun World those days. Wow. We were supposed to perform for Fun World until me see script no and I did it perfectly as if someone in a rehearsal yeah copy me time ebe ya ade no. and focus say you see you did very well. You see akwenya baye the more I say oh international program be abetu kwan well lots omo your audition bebre it's ni part of munim near Van Vika and a little bit of Bella Samoa but one makanyina na mo shede hu wo mo you know na Actors Gold and Radio Gold collaborate because Radio Gold birthday the eve of 6th March and Actors Guild also and I'm see your whole into no near reenactment of Ghana's Actors Guild into a reenactment of Ghana independence into you need Radio Gold by year one because of your birthday you know into say about do Radio Gold be hype because for sponsorship any idea and I was the rep for Ghana Actors Guild and every time and I have to be at Radio Gold to talk coordinate TV go for sponsorship career for radio no started yes Tijuana started you know me kwa say me to office or marketing department looking for sponsors for a reenactment of Ghana's independence though government support say my film sister na me to how many of okay na your rounds na ye ba enti me develop interest in my radio no enti e bia mo studio ha na akọta na hold then na me hwẹ ni omo ye ni bibia na me sia enti me be ka wo ho event department or Radio Gold edi mo na be bi emunti FM na me be ye producer enti no me be ye producer e ma ohen na kwame say my entertainment na edin ya friend of Fonton from and Kwame say yes sir kwan kakra so kwa ware and I'm tine mu ma no me tire mu na na yen channel manager SEO I'm good into no any side ya me hosting na Kwame say nya me producer into that was when
na harding say me me program na betina mu mama
na fe de obeji afa I say
harding
na enya me fault sir and Kwame say no so no
but esia the theatre no the omo be kan that's why the
there's bitterness
because me ya ma de na me worry about tinemu a wabeji afa
it's you know me who say na
a chance
a bre and Kwame say no so me fa na say me nua na me producer no all right but maybe best start say me host show no and I who say ye be phone lines and am for Afia ohena na Kwame say we hefa ye hwehwe no ono ne epeso host show no na am say yo mate wo peso host say me na me host Kwame say na e produce it is also time na me catch me say no catch Kwame say he should be careful because oya dan ya show no yes o na hosting nti me frɛ Kwame say Kwame so ni bibi omo mo frɛ me nyina catch omo so mo yire omo ho no mo frɛ me more because oya dan kra show ni say me na me host Afia da bi nyesa sister could you believe say me can say same way no the following week na I didn't have those calls na frɛ me say you want ohina na to host the show you know yes and no crap fast forward and Kwame say me need to say me program bia nkanka yi ase say no MC the oye champion me no me come asem we are and one no hard feelings as Sunday we move on enti fast forward edi mu na che say me sign ebenya another gig before say me free Munti FM no me benya another wo multimedia asempa na me ho na me brother Dr. Khan may so rest in peace. Na dem sense am afodin there. Me Bobby papa. Na Dr. Khan chere say o mu hia obi e wa Asempa FM ama na host program enti no e wa catch channel manager yes am you nti me nko me call ho na o say oh e wa start the program no interviews start the program and no some best start here di mo a me dey call class media groups so manager ne buy also hia me be program no CTV
okay like
Accra FM
one can is an come the did kind
our media group name no
say no share that hit say say you will be how kan ya multimedia obiabe ho media general obiabe ho Oka UTV. I don't can UTV. Omo obi bia omo ka dey under there. Despite group obiabe ho. Also do omo focus on one particular station. It's omo brand name na ye hu. Na some current one so dey hu. Any the original TV one. But yeah brand name no Metro TV original FM no. Ignite Media. We ye kokan we. Adofo what do you way ye kokan we? Ye ntwa ye ho kwa denkra to aba. Why? Ya kwaji nkwarto eba oguso I heard the journey na me guest no Afia Papabi and I yet to chinko so on say we need ye person on fa ye film abrabo no a wa bebedu say nti odi afama nti ye be catch up mami when the waka den just say wapoba ye calculate years na nya de ketwa so how many years in the industry?
How many years in the industry? 28 years.
Yo! Wow. Hey, mama na godmothers.
No be a Harry Lord movie, akwete kan, damfu biye. Efiera. If you are there about stamp money go for him o. And I start say about stamp money e fa say Santo mo. Yes say KJT miliki mi cool those days.
Wow.
Just ya film.
Mama no. Yes ketwa. Eba entertainment industry na asa mo ye kokoro asa ye gang bi
oh me dem who say gang go because who say me vibe wo baby ah
how you say ba who say wo ho we die ni enye wo die ni a ye nim we die ni enye wo die ni we die ni who ni sa
me dem shut down focusing on that because me vibe wo every corner. Yes, when it comes to the actors, I'm there with them. When it comes to the radio people, I'm there with them. When it comes to television, I'm there with them. And when it comes to the almighty panditry, I'm there with them. Intimidate, I'm everywhere with them.
What can Obia Sema? You're treating one of our friends who's brother.
Oh, yes.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
Listen, some of them correct.
Aye.
What people are not can Obia Sema?
Oh, yes.
Wow.
Thank you, Cocotte.
Eh, any more bread.
Cocotte, Yana, Monsieur Yanko. Alay, and some say a court of evidence.
And I know what wouldn't the original until someone come.
Oh, no, sometimes, and yeah, evidence. Sometimes I Takashi, not yet sure. Yeah, court, you ever share courts. You ever share courts. I know if I so industry first. No, I'm saying you are not talking. And then you go them patrol by ya find you room when our crowd bus system ni watch it. Or the room was on a fire.
Who will be a fan for so be no be was a man. Now so wafa. Only the panel was a mom.
Oh, Debbie. And I may yes, I didn't know. So Obini obi a was some more. A one on any panel was some. Maybe ni wuni asem.
And that the old year family that's so by answer now Obecono, Obi will hold industry. It is so can years our coming. When we say acting now start here, but in your
Hona Melande, yeah.
It will go Kumusa no a gem, but Obia or hidden talents are. Kaya 2 year bo a year PIB and a crown and Yamade first Israel. But if you're quite acting or so power 1 year started here. The Oki Kenya 1 year, but and never to me a be different I hope on so many people baby for it will be our shame be an abamubu or has bit because I've been in the industry for 40 years 35 years then you know but still will be a nimuno I didn't have a country in Japan because there is hope.
Yes, senior kind of there is hope. Say ebia acting na o pesa wo ye na say still no wunru ho a me pa cho obetimi I divert ebia na emre bi beba no so I will carry and revive it. Because media acting there now was very good. Look at Chobia. When it comes to stage, I'm a scripter. I'm very good. National theater stage, international stages. I've been on it. When it comes to MCing, I do all that. But to radio, when we can catch myself, you say Usi Kasano. You'll be good when it comes to radio. And Ohena I call leave kakra me opportunity, no. My boss asked me to stay, and the me ko be currently, no, I am with Original TV. And for say wo hweme na say ya wo say wo hidden talent bi MP ya nya abotre ebe pie discover it say baako na wa discover na say is not working na there is more chance unwu ya there is more opportunity. It doesn't matter the age dey amfa ho dey bia meka age is a number enti no one kasa say nia wo be hwa wo ho amadachi bi no epie no eno na concentrate e wo so na gya nia manfo keka
also concentrate na gya the amount for keka na de mesia de pa ene interview dem besia de na pa dem ba ya dusian kwa namba besia because 28 years
cheers
cheers to 28 because me titi free mu a ya samo pa cho de yi ba akoma me
really
if you are wrong
may I from invite you be am for busa me pa ring here she me Yeah, very expensive. We so say pure diamond.
Diamond sem na make.
Pure diamond investment.
Because minim say yes wa worry, but on time mo so. Yes wa worry.
Me worry me invite you obi a.
If you we ready hwe, if you too.
Yeah, you too, and you too.
Wa worry. If you
me worry me invite you obi a. I'm protecting myself, but I have somebody in my life.
That's the way I'm protecting myself. Then is Afia.
Yes, until you can't engage me, you can't wed me. That is the meaning. You can't engage me, you can't wed me. I'm protecting myself. A lot of people are saying, the I say maybe blogger be crowd blogger yeah last year. Say if you have Papabi a media personality ties a secret note. And I'm say, hey, I feel I'm for if you're not the money when I'm afraid those closer to me. But me I may invite you, but I have somebody. It's obi bad yeah.
If you it's a wedding and I'll be friend, yeah, baby. Yeah,
my from reception.
I'm Pachelabua. What meal can you prepare best?
What meal? Jollof rice. I'm very good.
To
the extent to be quite in a party because if you have jollof kakram
Nigeria, Ghana.
Oh yes, and of course we know. And I'm saying my favorite now. Me how to cook. Me share this in Nigeria for the end so. Debbie. Yeah, Nigeria. Yeah, me worry no. Woo. Natural. You can't eat the powers. It's a natural. It's a natural. Obi friend me say me advert man o. E to on hips. When am say me sre no. Me dey na natural. Me a chile bi abeka say say Afia dey kra no so ye no bi.
So dey obi anim wo dey. Ohu natural na ohu.
Oh, I so much appreciate this thing.
Yes, sponsors to say your mouth hampers.
Wow.
Hampers never had to see your dear. I don't for when and then maybe see her dear and command I yet there because we am paying you for they've been in the industry for longer. Now, my name Ranty and Abena and they almost say social media, but now did you be at the man and yes, I net here and I will call internet so yes, stand and say you. It's in Cofona Abria for Monutus stardom no a che a momo. It's me patchos over saying your main picture I know the right thing. And yes, obey Bibia, no it's me at the adjuding. And I'm a guest in a fear Papabi. My having fun, I will show you so. Master sounds and the man Casakis, because all she had say their money a day. Made our boy former summer scene and I watch you meeting me to Medi a bro, me did you met which I'm maybe at the Abena Ghana. Abuno for a good year, breaking the shape. Aha, and I'm a do busy. I send back and a debut me catch you, missing Yami woman, a be with us.
Take this life, cha-cha.